Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw one of my favorite characters, and that is Garfield. Now this is going to be kind of the cute baby Garfield. It looks a little bit sad, but don't worry, I'm going to be drawing lots more of these fun pictures of Garfield. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our baby Garfield from the new Garfield movie, let's begin by drawing the nose. I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a little oval shape for a nose. Next, I'm going to draw a long line that goes up. Then right here, I'm going to curve this, and I'm going to bring this out and around here. And then same thing here, I'm going to bring this up. I'm going to come down and then bring it to here. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve around and come up. And then same thing here, we're going to curve this around and come up. Now, right inside of here, let's make the pupils. So I'm going to begin by drawing a circle right here, kind of towards the center. And then same thing here, just draw another circle right here. I'm going to make another circle inside. I want to make another circle right inside of here. And then a small circle right down here. And then what I do is I like to color in right around those two smaller circles that we made. Just kind of color that in so it looks like a little reflection. Now let's work on the ears. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to come up and then down with a curve. And I'll do the same thing here. I just come up and down with a curve. Then I'll make a small little bump in here and a small little bump in here. And then just a little zigzag line to connect it for the inside of the ear. Now starting here, I'm going to bring two little lines up. And then I'm going to put a couple little points right here for the hair. Next, I want to make the sides of the face. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this line out. And then I'm going to bring it down here. And then I'll do the same thing here. I'm going to bring this line out and bring it down here. Now, starting here, let's make the legs. So I'm going to begin by drawing a little line that comes down on each side. And then I'm going to draw two lines that are really close together right here. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve around. And then we'll do the same thing over here, just curve around. I'll make a curve here, and a curve here, and then a curve here and up, and then a curve right here and up. I'll bring this line across, and then this line across. Next, starting here, I'm going to start right by the foot, and I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up and down. Another one that comes up and down. And then one more that's just going to come down, and then we'll just curve it around here. We'll do the same thing here. Just come up and then down. Up and down. And then down, and just curve it back around. Next, I'm going to make a circle for the bottom of the feet. And then I'm going to put some small circles right here for the toes. Next, I'm just going to draw a line that curves up here on each side. Then, starting right here, I'm going to make a little line. It's going to come up. It's going to curve around. And then it's just going to come right back here to the body. Next, one of the things I'm going to add is going to be the little kind of hair or whiskers on the sides. So I'm going to bring a line, just come up. It's going to curve around and down. Come up, curve around and down, up, curve around and down. Let's just go up, curve around and down, and we'll do that same thing right across here. Now the final thing we want to do is just add the stripes. So all you want to do is make like some wiggly little lines that just come in and then back out. These stripes are a little bit different from the more cartoon version of Garfield. So we're just going to kind of make some of these wiggly little stripes. And then we'll kind of put some of these wiggly stripes on the tail. And then a couple that are just going to come down and up. And there you go. There is your drawing of the cute little kitten Garfield. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.